Projection mapping is a technique that uses a projector and a Kinect sensor to create interactive surfaces on any object. You can use Microsoft Xbox Kinect on a Windows PC to do projection mapping, but you will need some additional hardware and software. First, you will need a Kinect adapter for Windows, which connects your Kinect sensor to your PC via USB 3.0. You can buy one from Microsoft or other retailers. You will also need to install the latest drivers from Windows Update. Second, you will need a projector that can display your PC screen on the object you want to map. You should make sure that the projector's light does not point directly at the Kinect sensor, as this may interfere with its infrared tracking. Third, you will need a software that can use the Kinect sensor to capture the shape and depth of the object, and then map the projected image onto it. There are several open-source software that can do this, such as OpenFrameworks, Processing, or Unity. You can find tutorials and examples online on how to use these software with Kinect for projection mapping. I hope this answer was helpful. If you have any more questions, feel free to ask me.